His feet like unto fine brass, as if they burn in the furnace.
As if they burn in the furnace.
And his voice as the sound of many waters.
Now, this is one little passage they don't pick up on, which my Hebrew Israelite brothers don't pick up on. They pick up on the color, they don't pick up on the voice, because they don't understand the voice. Not only that, let's help you out again. Our Messiah is given an epithet called the Lion of the what?
The jungle.
Now, what kind of voice does a lion have? That's where that passage comes from. When his voice is as the voice of many waters. Because when the lion speak right here,
when the lion, the whole jungle tremble.
The whole jungle understands. Yes. And that's what a king is, right? When a king speaks from Buckingham Palace, you can close your ears up in Manchester. You better hear it though. So kings are speaking right now. Kings are speaking right now. It says, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy what? Thy name. Let thy name be holy. Let thy what come?
Thy kingdom.
Let thy kingdom come. Let thy what be done?
Thy will.
Let thy will be done. Those are the first three things we have to follow.
The image of the Heavenly Father in the Bible.
Say again?
The image of the Heavenly Father in the Bible.
Read on, where you got
this is Daniel chapter 7 verse 9.
Thank you.
Daniel chapter 7 verse 9.
I was going to bring that up. Thank you for bringing that.
Because the son looks like the father.
Oh, hold on. The son looks like who?
The father.
Like the Queen of England?
No, the father.
Like George Bush?
The father.
Like already?
The father.
It looks like you and me.
Yep.
Move on.
Daniel chapter 7 verse 9. I beheld till the throne was one second, let me start again. Daniel 7:9. I beheld till the thrones were cast down, and the ancient of days did sit.
Hold on again. Who of days?
The ancient of days.
The ancient of days. We'll break that down later. Move on.
The ancient of days did sit. His garment was white as snow.
What's he got again? He's got another garment again.
Yes.
He's always wearing one, isn't he? He's not naked, is he? He's got a garment.
Yeah.
Move on. Read on.
You need a body to wear a garment.
Oh, excuse me? I thought it was your spirits only. Because there was Jibril in the cave.
The garment doesn't always actually mean a cape.
It's alright, Israelites are going to answer that in a minute.
It's the word.
Whose garment was white as snow?
His garment was what?
Was white as snow.
Twisted up with every nation.
Was white as snow.
Mixed into Christianity, Islam and Judaism.
Was white as snow.
It's holy. When you see snow, you know it's separate from everything else. Move on.
And his hair
of his head, the hair of his head, not his hand and his chest.
The hair of his head, like the pure wool.
Like pure wool.
You understand?
His throne like the fiery flame.
Move on.
And his wheel as burning fire.
Right.